Om Shanti, 24th May 2020. In today's Avyakt Murli, the heading is An Inexpensive Bargain and a Budget of Savings. So when Baba says an inexpensive bargain, so basically he is signifying the fact that Shiv Baba is the father, that is the jewel merchant, and he basically sees his children who are the businessmen who make the greatest bargain of all. That is, they donate very slightest, negligible amount of thing to Baba, surrender negligible stuffs to Baba, absolutely the rejected material, and Baba Dada converts all that into the inheritance of Satyug and Treta Yuga, and that also continues for remaining births in Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga. Shiv Baba said that we children make such a huge bargain in one birth and we receive constantly, prosperously for 21 births. Shiv Baba said that we made the bargain in just 1 second with one expression, and that is accepting Baba with all our heart by saying, my Baba, he is my father. With this one expression, you make a bargain of such huge, countless treasures. Like if we get connected to somebody, even in this world, so they are willing enough to give materials or items to us. Like if they get too much inspired, so they can give some good amount of gifts or they can donate huge amount of money. So if we are connected with the Supreme Father, the authority of this world, so what would he be giving? That is a thought to create. Shiv Baba says, whose names are mentioned in the Father's directory? Like people have directory in which they mention only the names of VIPs. So Shiv Baba says that you are very important persons in the Father's directory. Are you? ? Ask yourself, am I there in the directory of the Bab Dada? In today's world, Baba says there is wealth and there is also fear. If people have wealth, then they also have this fear that in any circumstance, what happens if their wealth is being, stolen by somebody else, or if it is black money, so there is always a sense of fear of raid and etc. So Shiv Baba says the more wealth they have, the more they eat in fear and sleep in fear. Whereas you become carefree emperors, that is, you become fearless. Shiv Baba said that silver and gold, they become real when they are being melted in a fire and remove whatever has become mixed in them. So this is the real silver jubilee and the real golden jubilee, is it not? Shiv Baba asked. So in order to celebrate the jubilee, you will have to become real silver and real gold. That means if situations are coming, so Shiv Baba says even if you're melting, so that is a way of cleaning the impurity inside you. How you are going to react in that, whether you're remolding yourself or not, that is a challenging situation. Have you accumulated so much that you remain constantly full for 21 generations, that your dynasty also remains prosperous, Baba said. Now not just for 21 births, but even in the Baba said, even in the copper age, because we will be devotee souls, so we will lack nothing, Shiv Baba said. You will have so much wealth even in the copper age that you will be able to make donations and perform charity very well. Look, even at the end of Iron Age, even in your last birth, you haven't become beggars, have you? You have become those who can at least eat dal and roti. So in today's world, they convert waste into best, Shiv Baba said. They reduce all wastage. So all of you also keep your savings account in your awareness that we should not waste thought, time. That is the power of thoughts, the power of words, power of action, power of time. Because this is what our real accumulation and income is. Baba said, do not just check whether you served and studied according to your capacity, that you didn't cause sorrow to anyone, that you did not perform anything wrong or any wrong action, you did not cause sorrow to anyone, but whether you gave them happiness or not. This is the thing that has to be checked. Baba said there should not be any ordinary life routine in your this Brahman life, that you are just wasting 4 to 5 hours without doing any sinful actions. That is also ordinary. So that is not an income, that is not an accumulation, Baba said. And for Kumars, Baba said that Kumar is really a lucky life because you have been saved from climbing up the wrong ladder. You never have the thought of climbing up the wrong ladder, do you? Baba said, even those who have climbed up are coming down. So even those who are householders are calling themselves Kumars and Kumaris. So they have come down the ladder. Have you not? Shiv Baba said. So always keep this elevated fortune of your sins in your awareness. And for Kumaris, Baba said, the more powerful you become, the more powerful your service will become. And Baba blessed us today by saying that may you be a great donor. His blessing is, may you be a great donor, and that can happen by constantly moving forward, by receiving blessings from many souls. And that can happen only when we give something to them, either power, happiness, knowledge, so that they can understand it deeply that yes, transformation is taking place in their lives. And in today's slogan, Shiv Baba said, the instant and practical fruit of the present time gives the soul power of the flying stage. The moment we receive the instant and practical peace after remembering Shiv Baba, so the mind accepts the fact that there is a possibility of remaining powerful and happy always if we constantly remember in the awareness of the Almighty Authority. Om Shanti.